Hey guys, welcome back to the Trade with Crazy Television 10.4 review of 3rd of April market. Chandu, I think don't worry, every day we actually after recording we will subtitle it and then we post it to you guys. All right. It's also linked with our this crazy community. But of course, for public members or friends of associates of ours, then you can actually watch the video that we always put in your Telegram group chat. Yeah, for those overseas friends. So every day we do that, right? Maybe Disha can give me an example. If you're online right now, you just put attention of what we shared yesterday in the Telegram group chat for Chandu. Take a look. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's go into the market and let's see what happened last night. Okay, to revise what you can do or trade better with. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first of all, last night we saw the market opens here and it was below the pivot one, right? Pivot two, right? So I told you before, when the market is trading below OP and below pivot two, no matter what you tell me, it's a selling day, right? A lot of people say that yesterday when it gapped down, right? So a lot of people need to buy. Nothing wrong, buy when it's like sold down. But I told you before, there's a reason why swing trader eventually cannot beat follow through trader. Or swing trader, right? They will make money along the way when the market is swinging between a sideways movement. Yeah. But once the market go directional, whether it's upside or downside, right? That is where when you go all the way up itself, right? There will be this thing called overbought. The boys share with you, and because it's overbought, right? You will naturally go and sell the market. Then the price keep on going higher, and then that is where you get really destroyed by the boys. So similarly, when the market goes down, right? A lot of people say, "Oh, it's oversold," right? So people keep on buy, and the market keep on sell because they know that you are short in the market. So they'll short you until to the end of the day because they know that you're going to put a stop loss at the very end and they will smash it down and break all your stops, your margin, and everything. So that's the reason why we don't practice this swing trading right that much because to sell from the high is good and to buy from the bottom is a very nice feeling. But I can tell you, ask yourself this question: over the last 5 years, 10 years, you trade, right? Do you realize that when you do swing trading, eventually you still lose money? Because the boys will make you make money initially. Oh, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here. They can let you make a few times, and you'll be like, whoa, so into it, and say that okay, you're king of the world. But once they start to move in a single direction, all the way up, all the way down, that is where account get burst. All right, think about this for a while before you can answer me later. But you think so, right? Then you just text the next number. You think that what I say makes sense, press number 5. If you don't think so, don't text at all. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay, this one is up to you. There's no right or wrong answer. Now, basically here, let me show to you now is that this is the entire day how the Dow Jones behave. All right, you can see that once the market opens, straight away it went down first. It did try to go above OP, but it failed to stay above OP, failed to stay. So these were all the signs that you should sell. All right, when it's below OP and below pivot 2, no matter how it's sell, right, as a trader, you should look forward to sell. Okay, so I'm not going to make, and then firstly, wake up very early this morning, and then I try to give you this to you, the expanded view of how you should trade, like, yeah? Okay, so let's start with here first, okay? First few hours, we don't trade, that's normal. Okay, first diamond here, example, how should you buy, right? Draw a white line across it, and this is where you will buy, agree? And then of course your stop loss, you can put it here or you can put it here, right? X or Y is fine. And then of course, when you see the first KTR or first OP, in this case, you take some profit. Then after that itself, right, there is a 4 diamond here. You draw a line, you notice that, sorry, okay, not drawn to scale, yeah, my hand. Okay, so what you see, the market cannot stay above the line, right? So the market chose the downside already after that. So this is how you do your 5-minute chart drawing. Okay, let's continue. So you can see after that itself, right? Every time the market uh cannot stay above the white line, right? The selling will kick in. Can you see that? Okay, if the market stays above it, then it's fine. All right, but once the market fail to stay above it, right, you can see again the selling coming already. Can you see that? Yeah. So that's the reason why the white line will allow you to draw all the way. All right, can be used, no problem. That's why you see the market gets all supported here. But once it break only right and fail to stay high, the reversal come in. So same thing again, you can keep on drawing the arrow and the diamond all the way. And every time there's a color change over, you must be very, very careful. Okay, so that is how you use the 5-minute chart. Okay. All right, so where's a big one? Now, this is a big one here, whereby the market did this, a very big yellow candle, that the market stays above the line, right? So initially, I thought that is a bottom. I also went to buy. But after a while later, I noticed the market failed to stay above the KTR -2. And this is again a typical warning sign that the market cannot go up. So when it breaks below the line and turns to red bar, right, this is where I decided, that's it, I cannot wait further. I turned short right here as well. Yes, I turned short right here and I let it really run down. Okay, really run down. Now remember, I showed you target, right? I say somewhere around 40,300, 40,600 plus will be a very good time to buy back this Dow, and the market stay there. So initially there was a diamond. I draw first. The market didn't go up, so I thought it's still okay. But then when the subsequent diamond come out right here itself, right, and I noticed that it's now going past my white line. And after the diamond is fully formed, I draw another line like this. I realize that the market has to stay like this. And the KSI here all the way are turning green. Oh my God. And it's a retracement on the KCX. So all these tell me that the market is going to rebound. And truth be told, the market rebounded 400 points from here. So, oh my God, this is really crazy. Okay, and that was the day. I mean, I think it's crazy enough. But who knows? In the second half of the day, the market came back down again. All right. So that is how you traded the Dow Jones on last night market. Yeah. Okay, let's skip this to the next market, which is the gold market. So this is the one that everybody's waiting for, the gold craziness. Yeah. Okay. So you can see the gold went really, really berserk the whole entire day. All right. You can see that started the day with this one first, then it went up, then it came back down a little bit, and smashed all the way to pivot 2, go down below pivot 2. That's a classic sell. Then it reversed above pivot 2, jump all the way up again before sliding down. So it's a crazy day today. So let's see how you trade it. We'll do it bit by bit. Okay. Okay, so you follow me, everybody. Let's change to an arrow easier to when you draw. Okay, so first part of the day, we don't trade. Yeah, many times don't trade if you can. Okay. So now, first of all, there is a diamond. So I draw a line across it. Can you see now? After I draw a line across it, you notice that the market just refused to stay above the line. Interesting, right? You see, guys, we draw a line, it's how we draw it based on diamond. And yet the market follow us, the line that we draw, as if that we control the market. This is why I say, guys, we have really a very powerful tool here. You need to trust it, that's all. So once the market breaks below OP, right? It's below the diamond white line, right? So that's it. I know the market will go down to KTR -1. Definitely, because this is about 80 to 85% chance. And that's where I book my profit and I stop for a while. Okay, subsequently, there were diamonds coming up. If you draw the same thing again, you will see the same thing over again. When the market cannot stay above the line, the market drop. Okay, all clear, right? Very, very simple, not difficult at all. Let's continue. So after that, you can see the gold cut to come down because there's a 4 diamond here with a diamond stack. I draw the line and you can see very clearly the market couldn't stay up. Okay, and then it's to cascade down. Okay, so once it breaks below pivot 2, it's below OP, below pivot 2. So no need to say confirm sell. So the market is sold down, right? Then there's the diamond over here. You draw a line at the closing price. You will notice the same thing again. The market failed to stay above the line, and then the CC wire come in, continue to sell. Then it tries again, fail, continue to sell. All right, so you can see that this is actually how the line works. Now the reversal, same thing, guys. See a diamond, draw the line. All right, so draw the first one over here, and you can see immediately it was a buy already. Can you see that? Immediately itself, it was a buy here, right? You can see that you draw a diamond, draw a line here as well. it's a buy straight away. Then after you add again a new diamond, right? You draw the line at the closing price. You see, amazing. Guys, this is why I say we have a very powerful tool. You just need to get yourself into that. Now, there'll be occasional losses here and there, small one. Never mind, it's okay. The main thing is to make more money when you're right. That is very important. All clear? If all clear, press number 6. Now, for those who are still not there, don't worry. Take some time to watch this video again when it's ready. I can tell you that once you understand this, moving forward, right, you're going to have a very good time with trading, right? So you can see gold really goes up. It's a double diamond within 5 bars. KSI green, KCX black. So boom, wow, gold recover. I know that some of you already bought the gold from the bottom and you hold all the way to 3-1 plus. Man, good. No, you guys are good, man. $60 run and your capture it out. Well done. Then after that, obviously, in the later part, the movement get tired of not much movement. So give it a break, all right? So guys, this is what I want to share with you for today. Please go through what have you learned, and then after that, it's all right. Hope that you guys will benefit from this. Okay? All right, so that will be all for today's session. I hope that you understand this. And moving forward, it's all right. I may conduct a Sunday session to revise entirely on the Crazii system. I'll let you know later, maybe like tomorrow in the evening and stuff like that, on a Sunday evening, yeah? Okay, all right, that'll be all for now. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great day in trading. Go slow, play safe, trade with care. Bye-bye.